Hello navigators, welcome back. So in today's lecture, we are going to talk about some of the solvers that are the part of compressible interfoam, and they are similar to what we have seen in the case of interfoam. We have seen for interfoam we had InterIsoFoam and multiphase foam. Similar to that, for compressible fluids we have similar solvers like compressible interfoam and compressible InterIsoFoam. As you can see here, we have InterIsoFoam, and we also have compressible multiphase foam. So this is essentially a similar solver, but it allows n phases instead of just 2 phases.
Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.